going to Animal Kingdom. Isn't that crazy, Lindsay?
I was just there every day this week.
Yeah.
Crazy. Georgia, who are we going to go see?
Carson, Lucy, Eleanor, Ruby, Hadley, and Andy.
Yes, we're going to
Yay!
see
My
Lindsay's
younger
sister's
sister.
family. They're from Savannah,
I
and
got two sisters, but this is the younger one.
we did pandemic fun with them for 4 months before we moved to Orlando, and they love Disney like us, and so we're gonna go with 4 littles. You've seen them before if you're an avid
Yes.
Broadway Bradshaw watcher.
That was a very popular episode, How to Do Magic Kingdom with 4 kids under 8.
Check it out right here. What episode is it, Maddie? Maddie knows.
Maddie knows.
Maddie's amazing. Okay, so we're gonna go do all kinds of fun things at Animal Kingdom, and they're so smart. They bring their lunches. They save a lot of money. So watch what they do today. They're really smart.
Yeah, they know what they're doing.
Okay, let's go. All right, and of course the annual passes that we are using today to get in give you free parking. So yay, free parking. That saves you
That really
25
adds
bucks.
up.
It
Yeah.
adds up so much, right?
$25 each time.
Woo. Oh, Georgia, nice. Simba style. It's like a mohawk spike.
For your safety, remain seated. With
You
the
just
doors
missed our
closed,
sunscreening Georgia's
keeping
face. It
hands,
was
arms,
a
feet,
lot.
and legs
First ride,
inside
hands
while
up.
the tram is moving. And
You may know this, but originally there was going to be a Beastly Kingdom. Camp Mini Mickey used to be where Pandora was, and now we have Pandora. But there was going to be an imaginary creatures kingdom with unicorns and dragons, and the dragon is still there from opening day. But yeah, it looks very cool. But they never built that kingdom, and Pandora came. Are you excited about this Pandora film's coming out? Like,
I'm jazzed.
finally, like I think 3 more movies are going to come out.
That land, I was like, that movie is like from
This
several
one
years
movie?
ago,
Yeah.
and no one's talking about that movie anymore.
They're about to.
But they knew that the other movies were about to.
Do you think the girls are going to want to fly on a Banshee today?
I don't know if they're going to want to wait 2 hours to fly on the Banshee. It's
Well,
Memorial Day weekend.
Later in the day, we're in this park a lot at the end of the day, and the line really goes down. Look, pass holder entrance. We're pass holders.
And we have Genie Plus.
Yeah.
Today we bought it, $15 each. At this point, I think you should get it.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah,
I
it's
used to
worth
be
it.
like, you don't need that. You do. You need it.
It's worth it. All right. Happy sounds. Sunburn, sunscreen finger. Oh yeah. All right. We did it. We're in. Okay, all of a sudden I'm like, happy check.
It's really very funny, but I feel like very excited and very different, even though
We're here every single day. Okay, woo! So mommy, you got Genie Plus. What's our first Genie Plus?
the safari. So
Lighting lane.
within like the few minutes that I was discussing which selection we were going to make with my sister, it kept getting bumped further and further back, and you want to get on the safari in the morning.
So you want to pick right at 7 a.m., right?
Yeah, and so it was like 7:07, and it went from 10:30 to like noon.
Yeah.
So we have that as our first lightning lane at 11 a.m.
Great. So, pro tip, at 7 a.m. if you have Genie Plus, you buy it day of now. You used to be able to buy it in advance, but at 7 a.m., buy it, select everybody in your party on My Disney Experience, and pick that first ride. And the earlier in the day you pick it, the better, because then you can select another one.
We were trying to decide between that and Navi River Journey for them. And so they decided to just go straight to Navi River Journey, but they said that it's already a 45-minute wait.
Naturally. Okay, they're the flamingos. Oh, Wilderness Explorer flamingo stickers. If you haven't done the Wilderness Explorer thing with your little ones here, it's a lot of fun.
Also, I'm a senior wilderness explorer.
You're a senior? Can you show me your call? What do you do?
The wilderness must be explored.
Rawr. Okay, this just in. Andy and Carson, their oldest kid, are on Expedition Everest, and they are getting in line for Navi River Journey. So we're going to join them with the littles.
Yeah.
It's going to be so great.
Ooh, Tiffins. Tiffins is my favorite.
This is a fancy, expensive, delicious.
In a theme park.
Yeah.
I say it's expensive. I mean, it's worth it, but it's like a nice dinner. You're not going there for lunch to try and spend 20 bucks.
It actually is.
And Nomad Lounge, if you want
Ooh, I
nice
love the
cocktails
Nomad
and
Lounge.
snacks and treats and churros. They have these special churros
They're
there.
gluten-free churros.
Gluten-free, what? And they're still delicious. But that's the Nomad Lounge, and the seating is out here on the river. It's beautiful.
That is a wonderful movie.
Yeah, highly recommended. Highly recommended. Okay, we found our family. Hi guys. Okay, it's Hadley and Lucy and Ruby and Eleanor.
We're missing Carson and Andy because
Hi.
they're on Everest.
Hey, did you ride the Goofy roller coaster?
I'm going down.
You're what?
Hello.
Hi, it's Lucy. Lucy, what did you ride at Magic Kingdom yesterday?
Goofy roller coaster.
Goofy's roller coaster.
I watched Goofy Barnstormer.
Yeah? Eleanor, what characters did you see?
Goofy and Mickey Mouse.
Okay, so Andy and Carson are coming right now. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Carson Stack. Hey, Carson! Carson, okay, so here's the deal. We changed our mind. That was 50 minutes now, and Kali River Rapids 10. Nobody rides it first thing in the morning and gets wet, so we're gonna do it while there's no wait. Look,
Scared to be wet. Eventually I'll try.
it's Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Tweedledeandra. Oh, cool. That's fun. You did Everest. Was it scary? Did you go backwards?
Yes, and it was mostly in the dark.
Amazing.
Oh, it's fun. Yeah, kind of scary.
Okay.
It's like so like Chinese.
And here's Super Dad Andy. We gotta introduce Andy. Everybody, it's Dr. Stack. Andy's in the house. Pushing these princesses. Are y'all ready to get wet? Because we're about to get wet. You know, you just gotta, if you don't want to wait in line for Kali River Rapids, do it before lunch. At lunch, everybody's like, I'm hot. Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
We went to the Smoky Mountains to Dollywood.
You went to Dollywood?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's off brand, but I want to do it. I hear that it's awesome. There's some great rides, right?
Yeah. And the biggest one in the whole park was Thunderhead, and Carson rode it.
Amazing.
Because he was 50 inches.
Oh look, I see some, oh, it's Chip and Dale and Goofy. Go on this side and you'll see Goofy. Go over here, you'll see Goofy. Let's see. I'll do Goofy's call. Goofy liked it, Goofy liked it.
Oh, look at those moves. Yes, Goofy.
Love it. Okay, this just in, entertainment's back because Kevin is here. Are you ready? It's Kevin. Cool. Oh!
Wait. Bubble, 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 bubble. Oh no! She's gonna have to refill with bubbles so that we can play.
Okay, Kali River Rapids. Let's do it. It says 25 now. It was at 10, so it's only gonna get more as we get closer to lunch. Okay, I'm gonna ask Andy and Hadley about Genie Plus. Like, what do you think about it? At first, it's like really intimidating, and you're like, "What? I have to pay extra for this?"
It's like really very confusing at
Yeah.
first.
But yesterday, how did it work at Magic Kingdom?
It works pretty well. I think it's hard because there are so many attractions.
Which is great. Yeah,
Great.
that's the only part that has like 28 things to do.
Do a lot of things.
Yeah.
But you sort of end up going back and forth in
Sure.
the park, going across.
Yeah,
You
like
kinda
we just
waste some
did.
Time,
Yeah.
right,
Yeah,
it's a
trying
little
to do
harder
the
to plan.
Genie Plus.
It's hard
Right.
to plan your day out. But
Instead of like the fast passes where you can sort of cluster and then move on.
Right. Exactly.
Yeah. But it worked pretty well. We did a lot of stuff.
Yeah, and y'all did Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Did you pay extra for that, or?
No, it was only available to Disney Resort guests.
Oh.
Yeah, so you could buy it, but you had to be staying at one of the Disney resorts.
Oh. So y'all just waited in line for it.
So we
Like
just waited
45
in
minutes,
line.
yeah.
We just went there first.
Yeah.
waited
And that's the
in
thing. The Genie Plus, you don't. Everybody's like, you have to do it. You don't have to do it.
You don't have to do
It's extra.
And you can only use it once per attraction. So
Right.
if there's a short line, you just
Yeah.
go do it. And then maybe you can use your Genie Plus later.
Exactly. Okay, the ladies have something. What do you have here?
We made art. I made it. She made it.
Okay, that's beautiful. Pink and purple and green. I love the boarding of this. Oh, look up there, girls. Here we go. Okay, raise your hand if you can have wet underwear after this one. Soggy pants. Okay, it's a big kids ride. Carson, don't look now, but we are going up that hill. Bum, bum, bum. It's Lucy's first time. We're going up the hill. You ready?
How
Uh-oh.
are we not falling off feeling of wet?
You That's my girl, putting Star Wars. Here we go. Am I gonna get wet? Am I gonna get wet? I don't know. Okay, we're good. It's still anybody's game. Who's gonna get wet? Whoever goes down backwards is gonna be the wettest.
I don't know. Okay, back for more this time.
Whoa.
Oh, how did this happen?
Oh no, someone's been burning wood in the forest. Is it a forest fire or like a polluters? Like what's going on? This like logging truck blew up.
Yeah, it fell in the water.
The spin, I've never seen the tire spinning, that's nice. Okay, here we go. Who's gonna be backwards?
It's us.
Who's gonna be backwards?
Oh, not us.
Hadley. Hadley! No! Here it goes! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh, look out! Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Oh wow! I mean, my adrenaline went up. It was exhilarating. Yeah, I haven't done that in about a year. It was really great. The Lindsay dance. You just sort of soggy bottom stroll. Okay, here they come. Here they come. Right there. What'd you say? Get some people.
For little ones, always a winner. Triceratops spin. Who's driving this thing? Oh, you didn't know how to drive? How old are you, Eleanor? How old are you, Ruby? Well, here we go. Aren't you two? Oh, we're going down. Okay, go the other way. Oh, we're going up, Eleanor. Hands up for Ruby. Woo!
Okay, are you ready to go on the jungle trek?
Yes.
Let's go see some tigers and monkeys.
I
Okay.
want to make them active.
Monkeys.
Oh,
Are you ready, Eleanor? Let's go.
let's start.
Okay, so thank you, Doc. So there's never a line for the Maharaja Jungle Trek. And then we're gonna go and use our lightning lane for the safari. Ooh, here's the Temple of Tigers. Ooh. Hello. Good, good. Oh, look under the bamboo over there. See the tiger? Wow.
You see a tiger? She's like,
Whoa, jumping at you. Wow, those bats are huge. How big that bat is. Two of them. You see them out there? It's black. There are two of them. Three of them. Whoa. Wow. Saw bat poop. Wow. I've never seen these, man. Good grief. Okay, we're almost to Kilimanjaro Safari. We have a lightning lane here. Right this way. Okay, Hadley just said Kali River Rapids is at 60 minutes now. So I'm glad we did that when we did that. Right? How was Triceratops spin? Did you ride a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Was it fun? Went around and around? Yeah. All right, this lightning lane is good. We're skipping the line. We're skipping the line. Whoa. Kids have to touch everything. It's a fact. Elda, how do you like this ride? Is it cool? Super cool. I super love you.
We're now entering the Safi River. So here all the animals either live in or exist in.
Rhino, right
Now black
there.
rhinos can weigh up to 3,000 pounds, and their greatest threat is humans. Humans poach them for their horns. And they can eat up to half of their body weight in one single feeding.
Wow.
And their jaws are strong enough to crush any bones of any of their prey. Now if you look at the top of the back right hand side, kind of by that tree back there, you're going to see some wildebeest. Now wildebeest go in herds up to 1.5 million, and you'd actually be able to see that from space. And they migrate anywhere between 500 to 1,000 miles a year.
Look at this zebra.
You can see a little bit of a closer look at these Hartman Mountain zebras. And then in the middle of those little palm tree sections, you're going to see some large cattle
Pretty, right?
with those horns. Those are called encooling cattle. And those horns help to disperse blood throughout their body and evenly cool their bodies
Look how
down.
pretty they are.
There's quite a few of them there. Now giraffes are the tallest animal. They're anywhere between 18 to 20 feet tall. And they have long, blue, prehensile tongues like the okapi to help reach off into far off places, grab their food. And those tongues are blue because it helps protect their tongue from UV rays. See them right here.
Look for the elephant. There he is.
Now we know that this is an African elephant because of the shape of his ears, shaped like the continent of Africa. And the females are going to be the ones that go out, they're going to do the hunting. And the males are going to stay back, they're going to watch over the cubs in the territory. You can see a female lion laying down there next to him as well. You can see both of the sisters there right now.
Ooh, lions! Look, Eleanor!
Okay, we got one premium ice cream bar, one Mickey pretzel, a corn. You ate his ears. A corny cob. Georgia went churros. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, baby. Oh yeah, look at that. This smells great, like curry salt or something. Yum. Okay, that's like my new favorite snack. The corn on the cob is so good. It's got these curry salt on it. Reminds you of like Indian food. It's killer. Make sure you get some. It is so delicious. All right, we're really close. They're almost at capacity for this one. We'll see if we get into this 12 o'clock show or not. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. All right. We made it, all 9 of us. Woo. It's gonna be packed in here. Messing it up. Thank you. Thank you.
Giraffe was living in your
His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration. And you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Come on, everybody. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Boomba. Look at the elephant. I see Simba. See Simba?
The mighty pachyderm. Let me hear your trumpet chime.
Simba.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon.
Look, everyone, it's the Lion King. Welcome, Simba, right on time.
Hey, guys. It looks like we're all here. Let's go.
It's showtime.
Wow.
All right, now move aside.
Carson, is this cool?
Simba, let's settle down.
Dinosaur. And go to the animation station. It's a little too late now. Okay, here we go. 1:45. Animation station.
And the next one's not till 2.
Kind of neat little helicopter seat. You throw it up, push back down.
Thank you, Tony. Oh, let's get a piece of paper.
That's gonna be for Bambi's face.
I think so.
Wait to draw anything on there until they start.
Hi, thank you.
Many beloved Disney characters inspired by animals.
Chris, ready? Oh, you're doing good, Ruby.
Around animals, studying their behavior and personalities in order to create realistic characters and dynamic storylines.
Cool.
That's where we're going and how we're going to proceed with this. We're going to develop the areas for the eyes first. Look out the areas around the eyes, the brow shape on it, and look on. So you can see it, then we have to spike where we're going. And there it is. This I will now make also surfer. Now how many of you are taking this way too seriously? Me? Okay, do a lap.
Baby's eye, doing good. Doing good, Georgia.
You're not kind of rolling in places.
It's getting good.
Roll the other. And we have on our cheek.
Hadley, yours is looking good.
Alright, now we're going to do more now. Towards those ears.
Wow, look at Mandy! I mean, not bad, not bad. How'd you do? Excellent.
Very good, except she got a mohawk.
Great, Hadley. Georgia, how did you do? Excellent, buddy. Hey, Mommy, let me see here. Let me see. Excellent. Nice shading, nice shading. Excellent, Lucy. Wow. Eleanor. That's it. Well, hello, Simba. Are you gonna wave back?
There's Simba's on the train.
Oh yeah, let's get on the train. You ready? Here we go. Okay, so it's lightly raining. It's only gonna rain for a few minutes. We went to the bird show, and this bird went like and they were like, there's lightning in the area. So that was our modified show. So the show was 60 seconds long because they couldn't fly the birds. So we're gonna go to It's Tough to Be a Bug, everybody's favorite opening day attraction. And then Dinosaur, and then Navi River Journey, I think. And that'll be a great day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go, El Bell. It's Tough to Be a Bug, starring Kevin Spacey. It's a beautiful queue. Look at the rhino and the elephant. What animals do you see, guys? Look up. You see any animals? Whoa. Seagull, a pelican. Can you pronounce that again? A what?
Ankylosaurus.
Ankylosaurus. Wow. You're so smart. Wow.
And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us, so that's why we gave you the special bug eyes. Now go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, now you're all honorary bugs, so on with the show.
Okay, we're at Donald's Dino Dig. The big kids are riding Dinosaur. Me and Lindsay are babysitting. What do you got, Eleanor?
Soup.
Oh yeah. Is that soup? Okay. And Ruby's over here chilling. It's a great thing for little kids. They could be here for hours. Well, Georgia's found the Dino Dig. Look at your legs. Ugh. No, thank you. This episode is brought to you by my favorite beverage, LaCroix. We have our lightning lane for Navi River Journey. We're gonna leave the Dino Dig. Let's do it. We did have a poop explosion accident. So Lindsay took care of that. Shout out to Lindsay.
Did she make it?
Did she make it? No, she did not make it. But everything's all cleaned up now. And we're gonna go use our lighting light. I'm helping Carson get one more sticker. She is loving this. If you haven't done Wilderness Explorers with little kids like under 10 or 42, it's a lot of fun to collect them around the park, and it's free.
Petrified wood, exactly. Petrified wood. How about what do like vegetarian guys are?
All right. Okay, we got our lightning lane. We're going in. Here we go. Lucy, I'm following you. You got your card? Can you hold on to your card for you so you don't lose it? Simba? Simba. You may hold on to it? You got it. Hey, how are you? You feeling all better now? All clean? So fresh and so clean. Okay, we're a party of 9. So they said, can you put one in your lap and make it a party of 8? Yes. You be in lap? Can you be in Lindsay's lap?
Yay!
Here we go. Well, this used to be an animatronic. All right, almost there. Georgia, you gonna ride Everest this time?
Nope.
That's okay. Georgia's ridden it many times, but not to date. I love these fake candles. They look just like real candles. All right, it's Everest time. Are y'all ready?
You see a lot of
I don't even want to ride this. I'm just doing it for the lighting lane. I think we need to go all the way around. Let's go. All right, here we go. The Forbidden Mountain. Hey guys. Here we go. Oh, there's a waterfall. what to do. We want to thank the Stacks for joining us today. Eddie and Hadley and Carson and who was Lucy and Eleanor and Ruby. I have to look at them. We had so much fun, and remember, you like our vibe?
You should subscribe.
That's it. Woo-hoo-hoo.